This is a sink. This is a sink. Actually, it's a white sink. The sink is white. Is it a blue sink? No, it's not a blue sink. It's a white sink. There is a tap. There is a grey tap on the sink. So there's a grey tap here, and then the sink is here, and this is the tap. Also, there is soap here. This is pink. It's pink soap here. Is it red soap? No, it's not red soap. It's pink soap. So we have a sink, a tap, and some soap as well. Then he turns on the tap. See, he uses his hand to turn on. He turns on the tap there, and then water comes from the tap. Yes, here's the tap, this is the water. So he turns on the tap, and then water comes into the sink. Yeah, the soap is still here, but he turns on the tap, and then water comes into the sink, and then he washes his hands. See, he uses the soap, he uses the pink soap to wash his hands, and he uses the water that comes from the tap to wash his hands with the soap in the sink. He washes his hands in the sink. And then he washes his face. He washes his face as well. So he uses the water. He uses the water from the sink to wash his face also. And then he needs to turn off the tap. See, now he turns the tap off, and now there is no water. There is no water coming from the tap. See, because he has turned it off. He's turned it off now. So because he turned off the tap, because he turns it off, there is no more water coming from the tap. Now there is water in the sink. Yes, there is still water in the sink, but there is no water from the tap now. This is a pen. I think it's an orange pen. Maybe it's a red pen. Maybe orange, maybe red, I'm not sure. But it's a pen. And this is a notepad. It's a notepad with paper. There is white paper here on the notepad. And then he uses the orange or red pen to write down. He writes on the notepad using the red or orange pen. So we can see here he is writing. He is writing with his orange pen on the notepad. Here he is writing down, writing on the notepad. Now he is not writing now. He's not writing. He is drawing. He is drawing on the notepad now. You can see he draws on the notepad. He has drawn a fish. See, there is a fish here, and he has drawn the fish on the notepad. So he is drawing a fish right now on the notepad. We can see the sun here. This is the sun, and the sun is in the sky. The sun is in the sky. The sun is yellow. It is a yellow sun, and the sky is blue. It's a blue sky. So it's a sunny day. The weather is sunny today. It is a sunny day. And there are many houses here. How many houses are there in this picture? How many houses? Here's one house, two houses, three houses. So there are 1, 2, 3 houses in this picture. There are 3 houses here. There are some hills. See, there are 2 hills here. Here is one hill and here is the other hill. So there are 2 hills there. And it is a sunny day. The sun is in the sky. It is a sunny day. Now, it is not a sunny day. No, it's not sunny now. Actually, it is cloudy. It's a bit cloudy. There are clouds in the sky. How many clouds? How many clouds are there in the sky? Here is 1 cloud, 2 clouds, 3. There are 3 clouds in the sky. So it is a cloudy day. It is cloudy. The weather is cloudy today. Now, it is not sunny. It's not sunny. It is raining. See, there is lots of water from the sky, from the clouds in the sky. There are grey clouds here. Here the clouds were white. These are white clouds. But these are grey clouds and it is raining. It is raining now. So the weather is not good. The weather is bad. Yes, bad weather. So because it is raining now. And now, well, it is still raining. See, it is still raining, but also we have lightning. Lightning. See here, there is one, we can see lightning here and we can see lightning here. See, like this. It is lightning. It's very bad weather. Very bad weather. It is not sunny. It's not sunny. It's not cloudy only. It's not just cloudy. It is raining and there is lightning as well. Bad weather today. This is a bed. So there is a bed here. It's a bed. On the bed we have a pillow. There is a pillow here. You can put your head on the pillow there. So there is a bed, but the bed here is empty. The bed is empty. There is nobody in the bed. The bed is empty now. So this is a bed, but it is empty. There is nobody in the bed. But now the bed is not empty. See, the bed is not empty now. There is a girl in the bed. There's a girl in the bed. And the girl is sleeping now. See? See, look, she is sleeping in the bed. The bed is not empty now because there is a girl in the bed. And the girl is sleeping now in the bed. She's sleeping at the moment. The girl is in the bed and yes, she is still sleeping. There is still a girl in the bed and the bed is not empty now because the girl is in the bed. And the girl is sleeping and she is dreaming. She is dreaming right now. She is dreaming while she sleeps. Dreaming while she sleeps. She is dreaming about a cat. So right now, this girl in the bed, she is dreaming about a cat right now. See, she is dreaming about a grey cat here. So she's sleeping and she's dreaming. She is having a dream. She is having a dream about a cat now. Thank you for watching. See you next time.